What it do, what it do. Quickly video. So let's something to unbox. Sneaker rack. About to have a tutorial how to put this together. Nah. I'm lying. That's not what y'all came to see. So got box came in. Yeah, bad thing about it. There's supposed to be some gammas and stuff, man. Hey, that box. Hey, man. Let me check this up. I think these foo-foo. Man. Just from the box, maybe I would hope that they just used a bad box. Number one, I don't like how they shipped it. The way these are shipped, just that's never good. But yeah, but the way these are boxed, let me see the shoe itself. How is it? I gotta inspect that box some more, man. I gotta see if that's the box that they came in. But so gammas, and let me get my legit check on. They smell funny. Smell like some kind of cleaner or something was on them. I don't know, man. Y'all tell me. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. They got a little chip right here on that side, but yeah, man. I look forward to this, man. I want to tell y'all and do the video and stuff, but man, I don't know. I'm not feeling too keen about them. I'm gonna go watch some reviews and stuff, but I don't think these are it. I don't think these are it at all. Yeah, I think shit, I might cut the video here, man. Look, this is what you get from Mercari. Mercari got these for 75. They were 80 something. That I made an offer for. I think it was 89. I made an offer for 80 and had a $5 coupon, so they come out to be 75 free shipping. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get my scoop on whatever, and legit check and do this and that. But well, at least one thing I can look at positively is I tore away like most of that tape, and I think this is a rep box, but this isn't the box that came with the shoe. This is a Jordan 1 box, but this box is real small. The material is not Jordan-esque, but this isn't the box with the shoe. So I just want to step into the sunlight. I want to show y'all a little bit more details, because I wasn't too detailed in the crib. But to me, my issues with it, it looks darker than I seen in pictures and stuff. Like, that's an issue I have with it. Like, some things look accurate, some things don't. Like this inside area, that looks pretty accurate. It's pretty big and stuff. This right here, this part, the Jumpman, it's supposed to have like a big wide open space. It doesn't have that open a space as I've seen, but But I seen some pairs that didn't have like a big open space underneath there. This is a size 9, so it's a pretty small size. This right here, they say it's supposed to be pretty smooth. That's pretty smooth. Like, that's kind of accurate. The tongue is kind of accurate from what I seen. But like, just overall, just like the color and stuff on there, it just, like, my spider sense is just tingling. But y'all let me know. This right here, a little crooked. That right there is off, but I knew they wasn't gonna be perfect for $75. Shit, this is like a $300 shoe. Little paint spot. I got some black paint, so I could fix that. But me, the main thing is not fixing the shoe. The main thing is just me knowing if they are real or not, and I'm not sure if they are real. So, oh well, that's the risk of ordering stuff online and trying to get them for cheap. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Did I get it for steal or did I get stole on? $75. I guess it was worth the risk. Shit, my godchild wanted these like last Christmas, and shit, I couldn't find them for a good price. So shit, he almost as big as me. So his foot, he'll be able to fit these soon. So I'll pass them down to him pretty soon or whatever. But yeah. Man, fuck with your boy, man. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated. So I think I took an L today. Yeah.